Oh hey, didn't see you there. I'm Evan, and I work at onlinemetals.com. What is onlinemetals.com? Well, we ship metal, plastics, or whatever else you can find on our website directly to your door. We're talking raw materials, not those participation trophies your daughter got from her baking competition. We're also not your source for silver or gold, so tell grandma to get a replacement tooth elsewhere. Do we have the materials you need? Yeah, we do. Whether you're a maker, buyer, or fabricating a rocket ship, we have over 60,000 products from aluminum to zinc ready to take your project to Mars and back. Are there minimum order quantities? Of course not. Anything from one small piece to this entire wall could be yours. Do we cut material down to size? Yeah. We hate waste just as much as you do. Well, what about the full-size sheet we need for our massive rocket ship? Well, we got this right here. So don't you worry. Our unbeatable freight shipping rates are out of this world. Order before 3 p.m. and we ship same day. Or pick up your order for free at one of our 6 warehouse locations. Let's be honest. Metal is metal, plastic is plastic, so what makes us so special? And we are. At Online Metals, we can trace your material back to its homeland better than you can trace your own great-grandpappy with our free material test reports. That's right, free. $0. And you won't even be disappointed like the one time you found out you weren't even 1% Irish. Unlike the other guys, we have actual people on the phones and available on chat, like our friend Katie here. We also have an absurd amount of resources on our Learning Center, so you'll never have to talk to your imaginary friend again. So stop stressing about your material needs and start making that over-engineered bottle opener, like our friend Tyler Bell. We are Online Metals, and we're here to help you make, buy, or build your way to a better future. What will you make?